Welcome Pokéfans to a new video. We have the grand opening of Temporal Forces. For our special part 3, very sturdy, to be used as a weapon. Alright, let's get this bad girl open. Nice. You, sir, are first. Let's look how the comments fell. That's nice. I've never had that before. So out of all that, the Drampa was nice. Cool. Oh, look at the Scovian. Look how pretty. Those beautiful shines right there. Basic energy for you guys. Boop. Not that bad, not that bad. 2 decent pulls. Number 3, their time's a charm, so. Art. Look at that. Okay. Flutter Mane. That's it. Boop. Okay. That Pokemon music. This is it. The Dunsparce. Nothing good, guys. Fire energy. Oh no, sad. Cavalian. Let's go. Iron Hands. Oh, at least it's the reverse and non-reverse. This is it right here. Oh, we got what is this? What is this? Hey, this got a legendary. Barely. Oh my goodness. That has to be Japanese. This Pokemon. This is where the NFL thing came from. See? Have you noticed that? Has the world noticed that? That that's the same noise for the NFL intro? Bianca. Oh my goodness. The Neo Upper Energy. The callback. Oh, I think this originally came out when black and white was a thing. Holy. Right. Touch. Alright, what's next? It's called Ace Spec. This is gonna be great. Moth. Melmetal. Yay. Nothing again. We love that, guys. We love Pokemon, always enduring on that collect them all standard. This is it right here. This is Rose Raid. What the f***'s a Whimsicott? Ooh! Why was this worth waiting for? It was not. What the cool. This part 3. I mean, it's gonna be exciting and I'm gonna be happy and jump for joy. Obviously. Alright. We're fighting. Not worth it. Whoa, my god, guys, look at pretty. Whoa. Hi there again, Pokéfans. It's Ramsley here. If you made it this far in the video, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you, and please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. It really does a lot for me and for the future. Also, I wanted to take time to show how far we are in the Temporal Forces Master Collection. Before we begin, if we reach 100 likes on this video, I will complete the Temporal Forces Master Set by the next video. Let's get in. Right now we're in the grass section. Moving into the fire. Cineroar. Can't forget that Scavalian. Now, this set is, I believe, most famous for its full art cards. That's going to be the most difficult part to complete this set. But, like I said, if we can reach 100 likes, I would love nothing more but to complete this set. Strictly for the full arts. The artists, shout out to them, they're just simply amazing. And don't forget to comment as well. Let's see what set should we complete next. I like the Paldean Fates because of their shinies. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright, leaving Steel, moving into Dragon. Koraidon. Now in normal, very little normal types that I have. I need that, the Dunsparce. Got both Chatot. I love that Chatot artwork. Oh, and the Dreppa, love the artwork. He's so majestic. All right, moving into the trainers. Not too many. So, I'm missing very few, missing a couple of reverse hollows. Now, the ace specs, I really want to complete this entire page for them. So, the trainers will be a little bit out of order, only because how the view is going to be worth it. Now, moving on to the full arts. The promo for this set is also complemented with the, I believe it's the Miss Magius ancient form. I can't recall the name, but that's most likely going to be the next video. And that's pretty much everything, guys. I appreciate everybody for being a part of the Ramsley squad. And like I said, comment, like, subscribe. If we reach 100 likes, we'll complete this set by the next video. Have a great day.